Hi everybody, my name is Lauren Mayer. I'm one of the financial services managers here at Midland Honda. I just want to take a couple moments to go over our best practices for disinfecting and cleaning our offices and vehicles. Hand sanitizer at each of our entrances. Washing our hands frequently. Masks are worn at all times. We are all practicing social distancing. Disinfecting common surfaces like desks, keyboards, door handles, coffee makers, and so much more. Disinfecting all of our vehicles before and after test drives, as well as before and after your vehicle is serviced. We also disinfect all of our shuttle vehicles. Daily screening before we come into work, and make sure we stay home when we're sick. Plexiglass has been installed at all workstations. We're committed to caring for all of our customers and employees and to help stop the spread of COVID-19. If you have any questions, please feel free to send us a personal message.